Welcome to our new YouTube meditation channel. Let's explore the wonderful benefits of meditation. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, offering countless benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. One of the most significant benefits of meditation is its impact on mental health. Regular meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It helps to calm the mind, allowing us to gain better control over our thoughts and emotions. Meditation also has profound physical benefits. It can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost the immune system. By promoting relaxation, meditation helps the body heal and function more efficiently. Another incredible benefit is enhanced focus and creativity. Meditation helps to clear mental clutter, making it easier to concentrate and think creatively. Whether you're working on a project, studying, or just trying to solve everyday problems, meditation can sharpen your mind. Regular meditation fosters emotional balance and inner peace. It teaches us to be present in the moment and to accept ourselves and our circumstances without judgment. This leads to a more balanced, peaceful, and fulfilling life. Incorporating just a few minutes of meditation into your daily routine can transform your life. Start today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more relaxing and insightful content. Until next time, may you be safe, be happy, be healthy, and live with ease.